Hey everyone, welcome back with another session of geography. So I hope you all are doing well. So we'll continue the same chapter, that is India natural vegetation and wildlife. Now we have already discussed about what's natural vegetation. Now as we know, nature has gifted us with a large variety of natural resources, isn't it? And one of them is natural vegetation. Now if you see, the natural vegetation of India ranges from what is found in tropical regions to Arctic regions, and there are different types of forests found in India. Alright, so the 5 main types of natural vegetation which are found in India are tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, thorn and scrub forest, mountain forest, and we have the mangrove forest. Alright, so in the previous session we have already discussed about the tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. So today we'll start the proceedings with thorn and scrub forest. Now children, thorn and scrub forest are found in semi-arid and arid regions. So basically these are dry regions, and they are found in areas with high temperature and rainfall that is around less than 50 centimeter in a year. Alright, now thorn and scrub forest, these are basically found in the dry parts of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and also the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats. So in all these areas we can get these kinds of forests. Now if we see the trees found here are short and scattered. Trees found here are short and scattered. And the plants in deserts have adapted themselves to the coarse, dry conditions, that is the rough and dry conditions, with long roots, so that they may absorb water from great depth. Alright, and also if you see, the desert plants, they have spines instead of leaves. And what is the usefulness of it? It helps them to prevent loss of water. Prevent loss of water, they have got spines instead of leaves. Now they have fleshy stems. Alright, now they store water in their fleshy stems. And if you see the different kinds of vegetation, now the vegetation found here are cacti, acacia, babul, hika. So all these kinds of plants are grown in these forests. Secondly, we have that is the mountain forest. Now, vegetation in mountains varies with altitude and temperature. Alright, the different vegetation is found at different heights. Okay, vegetation varies from tropical at the foothills to alpine at greater heights. Fine. Now, if you see, at the foothills of the Himalayas are the tropical deciduous forests, now in which sal is the most important. And if you see the next level, temperate deciduous forests are found, and trees such as oak, chestnut, and cherry, these are found here. And if you see at greater heights, between 1500 to 2500 meter, there are coniferous forests, and trees found here such as cedars, pines, and silver fir. And also children, these trees are conical in shape. Why? So that the snow slides down easily. And if we see alpine meadows and grass shrubs, these are found at a height of 3500 meter and above. Okay, and beyond this belt, the areas are fully covered with snow. Alright, now if you see the alpine vegetation, it's found at a height of around 3500 meter. Okay, so these are the things. Now, nextly we have that is the mangrove forest. Now, dense mangrove forests, these are found along the coastline, tidal creeks, backwaters, and salt marshes. So here these kinds of forests are found. Now these forests can survive both in fresh water as well as saline water. Alright. Now these forests, these are basically found in the Ganga Brahmaputra delta and the deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, all these, and also they are found in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Gulf of Kutch. Now if you see mangrove forest, these are also known as tidal forest. Why these are known as tidal forest? Because these forests, they get flooded by the high tides of the sea. And children, if you see the roots of the trees here grow above the soil so that the tree can breathe during the tides. And the biggest example that we have, that's the Sundarban Delta. It's the world's largest mangrove forest and it is in West Bengal. Alright, and the trees mostly found here are palm tree, sundari tree, coconut and betel nuts. Alright, and the sundari tree, which is available, and after that tree only the Sundarban name came up. Okay, alright. Now the sundari tree, they provides hard, oily and durable wood, and which is used in making boards as well as it is used in construction works. Okay. Now you can see the whole picture here. That's the whole map. First one, we have the mangrove forest in India. These are the places where mangrove forests are found, and the rest one, this is the different like all the natural vegetation, all different types of forest that we have. This is the map one, so it will help you to mark different places. So that's all we have in this session. I hope you have liked it. So in the next session, we will discuss about the importance of forest and the conservation of natural vegetation. Until the next time, bye bye.